In the concrete jungle of our cities, being prepared isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Welcome to episode 2 of our Urban Prepping and Survival series, where we dive into the core of being prepared, building your urban survival kit. Now you might be wondering, why an urban survival kit? Why not just a standard survival kit? Well, that's because urban survival presents its own unique challenges. The hustle and bustle, the towering buildings, the complex infrastructure, all these elements create a different survival scenario from what you'd encounter in the wild. Your kit needs to be portable, yet effective, compact, but comprehensive. It should address the specific demands of an urban setting while maintaining the basic principles of survival. So, whether you're stuck in a high-rise during a power outage or navigating through a city in chaos, your urban survival kit is your lifeline. So buckle up as we navigate through the essentials of an urban survival kit, designed specifically for the urban environment. An urban survival kit is your lifeline in emergencies. It's a compact cache of tools and supplies that could mean the difference between life and death. Let's delve into the essentials that should form the backbone of every urban survival kit. First up on our list is water purification tools. Clean water is a fundamental need, and in an urban scenario, you may not have access to natural water sources. A portable water filter or purification tablets can be a game changer. Next, we have compact food supplies. Non-perishable, high-energy food items such as energy bars and canned goods are ideal here. Remember, you're looking for sustenance, not a gourmet meal. A first aid kit is a non-negotiable part of any survival kit. Bandages, antiseptic wipes, tweezers, medical tape, and a few essential medications should be included. In an urban setting, you're more likely to encounter broken glass and other hazards, so be prepared. Moving on to multi-tools and self-defense items. A good multi-tool can serve many purposes, from opening cans to fixing broken equipment. For self-defense, consider items like a compact folding knife or pepper spray. Portable power sources and lighting also make the cut. A hand-crank flashlight, solar charger, or spare batteries will keep your devices running and your path illuminated. In a city without power, these tools can be lifesavers. Don't forget about maps and communication devices. A detailed city map can help you navigate unfamiliar terrain or find alternate routes. A battery-operated radio can keep you informed about the situation and any potential help on the way. Each of these items plays a crucial role in an urban survival scenario. They provide you with the ability to stay hydrated, nourished, safe, and informed. But remember, the key to a good survival kit is not just what you pack, but how you pack it. Portability and effectiveness are paramount. When selecting items for your kit, consider their size, weight, and overall usefulness. The last thing you want is to be lugging around unnecessary weight or bulk. Remember, an urban survival kit is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It should be tailored to your personal needs, your local urban challenges, and even seasonal changes. Regularly update your kit and practice using each item so you're prepared when it counts. So there you have it, the essentials of an urban survival kit. We've covered water purification, food supplies, first aid, multi-tools, power sources, and communication devices. But this is just the beginning. In the next scenes, we'll be discussing how to choose the right bag for your kit, how to customize your kit to your needs, and how to properly store and maintain your kit. Remember, the key to a good survival kit is portability and effectiveness. Just as important as the items inside, the bag itself plays a crucial role in your urban survival kit. Now, when it comes to choosing the right bag, there are several factors to consider. First, consider the size. It needs to be large enough to carry everything you need, yet small enough to be portable and not encumber your movement. Next, think about durability. You want a bag that's tough enough to withstand the rigors of an urban environment. Look for bags made from durable materials and with sturdy construction. Comfort is another crucial factor. Remember, you may have to carry this bag for extended periods. Opt for a bag with padded straps and a design that distributes weight evenly. And lastly, consider the bag's appearance. In an urban survival scenario, blending in is key. Avoid bags with overtly tactical or military looks. Instead, opt for something that's inconspicuous and doesn't draw attention. Choose wisely. Your bag is the foundation of your survival kit. A survival kit isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It must be customized to your needs and the challenges of your urban environment. Now let's chat about customization and maintenance. You see, your survival kit needs to be as unique as you are. Do you have any medical conditions? Make sure you have essential medications and supplies. Do you wear glasses? A spare pair could be a lifesaver, and don't forget about your furry friends. If you have pets, include food and supplies for them too. Think about the specific challenges your city or town might pose. High-rise buildings might mean rope for rappelling becomes a necessity. If you live in a flood-prone area, a life jacket could be a worthy addition. Tailor your kit to your environment and you'll be better prepared for any situation that arises. Seasonal changes are another crucial factor. Your winter survival needs will be different from your summer needs. Adjust your kit accordingly with items like extra warm clothing for winter or sunscreen and hats for summer. Now, on to maintenance. Regularly updating and practicing with your kit is just as important as building it in the first place. Get familiar with your tools. Know how to use your water purifier, how to read your map, how to handle your self-defense items. The middle of a crisis is not the time to be reading instruction manuals. Storage is the final piece of the puzzle. Keep your kit in a cool, dry place and make sure it's easily accessible. You don't want to be digging through closets when every second counts. And remember, your survival kit isn't a museum piece. Check it regularly, replace expired items, and keep it ready to go. Your kit is a dynamic tool, always evolving with your needs and circumstances. So, stay adaptable, stay prepared, and most importantly, stay safe out there. Building your urban survival kit is a step towards being prepared for any eventuality. It's about having the right tools at your disposal, tailored for your unique urban environment. Now, we've covered a lot of ground today, but let's quickly revisit the essentials. Your kit should contain water purification tools, compact food supplies, first aid essentials, multi-tools, and self-defense items. Don't forget portable power sources, lighting, maps, and communication devices. Each of these items plays a critical role in ensuring your survival in an urban scenario. Choosing the right bag is also crucial. You want something durable, comfortable, and just the right size to hold your essentials without becoming cumbersome. And remember, blending into your urban environment can be a lifesaver, so opt for a bag that doesn't scream survivalist. Customization is key. Your survival kit should be tailored to your personal needs, the unique challenges of your local urban environment, and seasonal changes. And don't just stash your kit away. Regular practice and updates are essential to ensure you're always ready to face any situation. Now it's your turn. Start assembling your urban survival kit. Use what you've learned in this episode as your guide, and we'd love to hear from you. Share what you've included in your urban survival kit in the comments below. Your insights could be invaluable to someone else in our community. And remember, preparation is a continuous journey. Your survival kit will evolve with you, reflecting your growing knowledge and experience. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more comprehensive guides. We're committed to helping you be prepared no matter what. So stay tuned for our next episode where we'll delve into the critical skills of water procurement and purification in an urban setting. Stay prepared, stay safe, and see you in episode 3. For those who want to dive deeper into the world of urban survival, we have just the resource for you. Consider picking up a copy of The Ultimate Grid-Down Survival Handbook. This comprehensive guide offers in-depth information on preparing for any situation. From detailed strategies to practical tips, it's a great companion to our series and a valuable addition to any prepper's library. You can find the link to the book in the video description below. It's a resource that takes your preparedness to the next level, equipping you with knowledge that could be a game changer in an emergency situation. Thank you for joining us in episode number 2. Your feedback and suggestions are invaluable to us, so please share your thoughts. We're looking forward to seeing you in our next episode, where we'll delve into the critical skills of water procurement and purification in an urban setting. Stay tuned and keep prepping, folks.